Are you looking for the best sleeping bags? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sleeping bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Heavy Duty Camping Sleeping Bag. When it comes to classic sleeping bags, the Alps Outdoorsy Redwood is a step above the rest. This well-made bag features a sturdy cotton canvas shell with a cozy flannel liner. Our testers found its spacious dimensions and rectangular shape super comfortable and had pleasant sleeping experiences in this bag. Combine these dimensions with the wraparound zipper, and our tester points out, you also get a bag that doubles as an excellent picnic blanket or a quilt for 2 people to snuggle up under. The rugged materials make this bag heavy-duty enough to do it all without worries of rips, tears, or snagged zippers. The standout feature of the Redwood is its warmth, which earned one of the highest scores in what is arguably the most important metric for a sleeping bag. It has a -10 degrees Fahrenheit rating, provided by loads of Tech Loft insulation encased in a canvas shell and cotton flannel lining. Although we wouldn't recommend it down to quite that frigid of a temp, it proved capable of keeping us warm into the single digits. On our first overnighter with the Outdoorsy Redwood, temperatures dropped to a chilly 25 degrees. Yet we stayed toasty warm. Details like double draft tubes and offset stitching patterns reduce heat loss from even the smallest cracks. Temperature rating, -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight, 11.7 pounds. Reasons to buy. Plush comfort. Outstanding warmth. Impressive construction quality. Reasons to avoid. Super heavy. Huge pack size. Number 2. Best Budget Camping Sleeping Bag. For many years now, the Coleman Brazos has been a notable contender for those on a budget. Time and again, it has impressed us with its rugged durability and warmth, especially considering how stiff the competition is in the world of sleeping bags. Our lead tester sums it up: this is an ideal choice for anyone who needs a budget bag for that first camping trip or for families who want to load up on sleeping bags for the kids, their friends, and extended family. At this price point, we weren't expecting greatness from the Coleman Brazos. However, we were pleasantly surprised by the warmth of this bag when we used it on a few chilly nights in Bryce Canyon National Park. It earned an above-average rating in our warmth testing, outscoring a few other bags in this metric. While we don't recommend it for truly frigid camp nights, it's got you covered through the normal camping season of late spring, summer, and early fall. Temperature rating, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight, 5.5 pounds. Reasons to buy. Great price. Cozy warm. Long lasting. Reasons to avoid. Inner liner easily collects dirt and debris. Short and narrow. Less water resistance. Number 3. Best Winter Sleeping Bag. Western Mountaineering is a company known for making some of the best sleeping bags on the market, and the Western Mountaineering Kodiak MF certainly lives up to that reputation. I was blown away by how comfortable and warm this bag was in such a packable, lightweight package, our tester remarked. It's only 2.85 pounds, which is quite light for such a warm bag. Some of its rivals in our cold weather sleeping bag review weighed up to 4.5 pounds. Our testers believe it truly lived up to its 0 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rating. They were also delighted with the wider dimensions of this bag compared to many other winter bags. Its high-quality 850 fill power goose down was some of the best at maintaining excellent loft despite numerous compression cycles. If this bag is so great, why isn't it wildly popular? One word: price. The high-end down insulation used throughout is an expensive material, resulting in a price tag that many will balk at. We should emphasize, however, that Western Mountaineering's down does seem to maintain its loft better than down from many other companies. That means this bag offers a long-term value advantage. It's also made in the USA. If you know you'll be winter camping frequently over the next decade and have the funds to invest, give the Kodiak MF some serious consideration. The Feathered Friends Snow Bunting is another equally high-performing bag, rated to 0 degrees and selling at a similar high-end price point. If you want to save a few bucks, the Nemo Sonic Zero is a mummy bag worth taking a peek at, too. It will weigh more in your bag and won't pack down quite so small, but it's warm, weather-resistant, and more budget-friendly. Temperature rating, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight, 2.85 pounds. Reasons to buy. Exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio. Spacious dimensions. Lofty 850 fill power goose down. Reasons to avoid. Exorbitant price. Not water-resistant. Number 4. Outstanding 3-in-1 versatility. The Teton Sports Polara 3-in-1 is a highly versatile 3-in-1 sleeping bag with a warm fleece removable interior liner and a durable outer shell. Each part of this customizable bag is uniquely separate and can be changed out, removed, or added back in. This system offers a wide range of options for all types of sleepers and environments. Our tester, Jason Wanlass, wrote, "The Polara is great for die-hard campers, boaters, hunters, or RV enthusiasts who want the ability to customize their setup based on the temperatures they are sleeping in." It also stows away into a much smaller size than many other bags we've tested. We love the thoughtful features, such as useful pockets, snaps, loops, and zippers, and the excellent price point. The Polara features synthetic insulation that simply isn't as plush or comfy as many of the premium options on the market. And while the inner liner is warm and soft, the material is grabby compared to smoother, more well-considered materials. Lastly, this bag runs a bit small for the big and tall folks, so have a gander at the REI Co-op Siesta Hooded 20 if you know you need more space to spread out. It was recently updated to include wide and long wide sizes. Otherwise, the Polara is an excellent and versatile choice that we know most campers will really enjoy. Temperature rating, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight, 8.0 pounds. Reasons to buy. Removable inner liner. Ability to layer and adjust warmth. Thick and warm. Good water resistance. Reasons to avoid. Stuff sack is tight. Inner fleece grabs dirt and clothing. Rather narrow. Number 5. Best 2-person sleeping bag. If you would like to make snuggling part of your next camping trip, check out the Kelty True Comfort 20 Double Wide. This 2-person sleeping bag offers nearly 37 square feet of cozy sleep space. It also features 2 built-in blankets, allowing either sleeper to adjust their warmth during the night. We believe this is an ideal choice for couples or families seeking a comfortable sleeping system for their next car or RV camping trip. Our tester notes, while this Kelty Double Wide wouldn't make it near my list for any backpacking trip, when I am packing up a car or setting up my tent in a drive-up site, I love having all the amenities. Although we enjoyed the smooth feel of the taffeta lining fabric, we did not like the slipperiness of this material. This isn't an issue when you're zipped inside the main bag, but it did cause the built-in blankets to slip off our bodies occasionally. We should also note that at 8.8 pounds, this bag is too heavy for backpacking or other human-powered activities. Nevertheless, it's a great choice for any pair seeking a comfortable 2-person sleeping bag for camping near the trailhead. The Nemo Jazz 30 Double is another option built for 2. The Jazz stays in place on the sleeping pad thanks to its pad sleeve, and the removable bed sheet provides extra warmth and comfort. Temperature rating, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Weight, 8.8 pounds. Reasons to buy. Spacious 2-person design. Extra blanket for temp adjustment. Reasonable price. Reasons to avoid. U-shaped zipper limits versatility. Slippery taffeta liner.